So, this is her entrance aria, yes?
Yes.
So what are you doing out here? Go away. We don't want to see you yet.
You want me to go off and come back out?
No, I want you to enter. You're on a stage. Use it. Own it. This is opera, not a recital. Anyone can stand here and sing. An artist enters and is.
I thought this was a classroom.
Doesn't matter. Never miss an opportunity to theatricalize. Huh? Astonish us, Sharon.
How do I do that?
Well, you can start by not entering as Sharon Graham. Enter as Lady Macbeth. Enter as Shakespeare's Lady Macbeth. Enter as Verdi's Lady Macbeth.
I'll do my best.
And Sharon, may I say one more thing? That is a beautiful gown. Obviously, we've all been admiring it. It's gorgeous. I wish I had one just like it.
Thank you.
But never wear anything like that before midnight at the earliest, and certainly not to class. Huh? And we're talking about what's appropriate here. This is a master class, not some Cinderella's ball, eh? Now off you go, and come back as her, come back as lady. Sometimes we just have to say these things. Am I right? Eh?